Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Product Reviews. A place where you get information about trending products and concepts in the world with purchase links. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Be the first to type, "I am subscribed," in the comment box below. Without much wasting your time, let's get started. Oppo has introduced a new budget smartphone, Oppo A11k. The handset brings a Waterdrop notch display, 2 rear cameras and 4230 mAh battery unit. Oppo A11k also features Dirac, a smart sound effects that intelligently switches to the best sound effect setting, taking the gaming, audio, and video experience to the next level. It gets an interesting riding mode to keep you focused on the road by blocking unimportant calls, and Dirac feature to automatically switch between audio modes to optimize sound quality. This power-packed entry-level smartphone is a testimony of Oppo's vision to provide exciting features at a compelling price to enhance the overall smartphone experience and style quotient of consumers. The phone adds to the existing list of a series of devices that recently received Oppo A52. With the help of a dedicated 3-card slot, the new Oppo A11k definitely packs a punch. Further, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And offers a highly immersive experience with 89% screen-to-body ratio and 19:9 aspect ratio. The device sports 6x digital zoom and burst mode. The 6x digital zoom enabling users to take good quality zoom shots with more precision, whereas the burst mode enables a user to capture numerous images in quick succession. While the 2MP depth camera provides an enhanced bokeh effect and lets users shoot great portraits. Oppo A11k also offers 2 special features, Portrait Styles and Dazzle Color Mode. Portrait Styles enables users to create quality visual content and reflects evolving consumer tastes regarding portrait or cinematic photos. Dazzle Color Mode effect works wonders when images are taken in a natural environment in poor lighting conditions, producing more saturated and vibrant colors. Dazzle Color Mode is equipped with a pixel-grade color mapping algorithm, which creates more vibrant and natural colors in an image. Priced at 8,990 rupees for the sole 2GB plus 32GB storage variant, A11k. Oppo is being sold online via Amazon official store in 2 color variants, namely deep blue and flowing silver. Oppo A11k has a riding mode that helps users to focus on the road by blocking unimportant calls and notifications, making it safe when they are on the road. Smart Assistant provides a one-stop portal to different services and presents the most relevant information as cards on the home screen for easy access, saving users the trouble of going through the apps one by one. While the Smart Sidebar is a productivity tool that allows users to reply to messages while in another app, switch and transfer information between different apps. The 5MP front camera, powered with Oppo's AI beautification algorithm, intelligently optimizes and enhances the selfie experience. AI beautification automatically detects skin quality, age, gender, skin tone, and create tailored solutions for different groups to amplify the beautiful elements of oneself. The smartphone also comes with Soloop Smart Video Editor that can help you create professional quality videos with cinematic filters through very easy steps. The smartphone is equipped with a host of amazing features such as rear fingerprint sensor and face unlock, giving a secure smartphone experience, whereas Dirac Smart Sound Effects provide the best sound effect while gaming, listening to music, and video streaming. Oppo A11k smartphone comes with a 6.22-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor paired with 2GB of RAM. The Oppo A11k runs Android 9 Pie out of the box and is powered by a 4230 mAh battery. The smartphone packs a dual rear camera which includes a 13-megapixel primary camera and a second camera with 2 megapixels. It has a 5MP camera on the front for clicking selfies. The Oppo A11k is priced starting at 8,990 rupees for the single 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage variant. The phone is available for purchase via Amazon in deep blue and flowing silver color options. Oppo had launched the Oppo A11 last year, which features a 6.50-inch touchscreen display, an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, with 3GB of RAM and runs on Android 9 Pie. It packs a 5000 mAh battery. The Oppo A11k has a 6.22-inch touchscreen with a Waterdrop style display notch. It is available in deep blue and flowing silver colors. The Oppo A11k has a gradient back finish with a 3D flowing blaze design. The smartphone packs a dual rear camera which includes a 13MP primary camera and a second 2MP camera. It has a 5MP camera on the front for clicking selfies. The rear camera setup has an LED flash module. The front camera comes with an artificial intelligence (AI) powered beautification mode and comes with a dedicated portrait bokeh effect. The Oppo A11k runs ColorOS 6.1 based on Android 9 Pie OS. Sensors included in the phone are an accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Oppo A11k supports Face Unlock for added security. It is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor paired with 2GB of RAM. This further enables users to multitask with ease, resulting in a smooth smartphone experience. It packs 32GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 256GB. The phone packs a 4230 mAh battery which the company is touting delivers a day-long battery life on a single charge. It has an octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor paired with 2GB of RAM. It is available in a 32GB internal storage variant which is expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. Connectivity options on the Oppo A11k include 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, GPS, micro USB, 3G, and 4G. The Oppo A11k supports dual SIM, GSM and GSM, with dual standby. The smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Oppo A11k W11 headphones are Oppo's true wireless audio product since its entry into the IoT business, embedded with ultra-dynamic speakers among the industry, which make a detailed and powerful audio experience. The Oppo A11k W11 comes with a binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission, enhanced bass. Hope you enjoyed the battery life and IP55. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box so that you have any different music anywhere about any contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.